Singeth is my direct contact as an engineer/scientist at Hesperos. Now, I did the video dealing with the chassis that I built for them, and what I wanted to do is do a follow-up as far as how he's doing, because he did require some more components. We're getting that taken care of, and on top of that, we were discussing how long it took him to actually go through and assemble the system. So you can see right here, and this is direct from his email, which I love because there are still guys out there who may be skeptical. You can see this is directly from him, and it says this is to give you an idea of how things are processing. Now let's look, and once again you can see my controller here as far as the enclosure, and you can see all of these GX16s came to him pre-wired. Now as we zoom in, you can see the 2 ground buses he has allocated, once again using DIN rail mounts in the enclosure we designed. You can see here he's got his AC power distribution right here. Once again, using DIN rail mounts, you can see the DIN rail mounts right there. And then he's got his Raptor drives. And then he's got a controller here and remaining accessories. So we've got fan mounts. Everything here is simplified for general building. And looking at this in a general assembly, you are streamlining a build process that would take an inordinate amount of time. And just to prove that point, I asked him, I said, essentially, how long would this build take? And he wrote here, the mock-up just took me less than 3 hours. That was also because mounting the gecko drives took some time because of the bolt underneath, aligning it with a nut. Makes total sense. I said, wow, that's awesome to get it done considering it's your first unit too. And then over here, he said to me, if I had to solder the GX16 terminal connections, it would have taken days.